Okay folks, this will be an interesting one. My nose is runny again. Seems to run a lot lately when I've been doing my demos for some reason. I don't have a cold, which is good. No, we don't want black, we want colour. Just a bit careless there, we can't blame Konica Minolta for that, for a change. See if we can do this make this look really nice. But yeah, I don't know, we'll see how we go with this. This will be a little bit challenging, trying to get it to look good. It's not an easy one to do, maybe. Let's see how we go with this. What have we got? We got here, it's a skirt, an interesting pattern on a skirt. We're going to make use of that as a piece to demo with. We're going to just place it on the glass. We're going to just put it across. We're going to try and keep that lovely angle happening with that piece. So we're just going to put it on the glass like so. Drop the dock feeder. I'm actually thinking we're going to leave it on that. Let's see how we go with it. But yeah, it's an interesting piece. I don't wear skirts, folks. I'm not into skirts, but I bought this because of the pattern, and I thought it would make a good demo. So I do buy things intentionally to make demos with. I find clothing very interesting when I use them in my demos. So that looks really quite nice. Wondering where the centre of the job is. But basically, yeah, it's an interesting subject to demo clothing, especially with bright colours and patterns and shit like that. That look really good. That can look really good most of the time. You can make some really good stuff with clothing, and it's really amazing the patterns that they have these days with clothing. So we just line these corners up with this little beautiful bright bit in the middle. So now we're just going to print off 2 mirror imaged versions of this. I'm just going to select a paper size, and we're just going to go over and make our mirror. So let's just print off 2 of that. It's a hot day, folks. It's bloody feels like summer in here at the moment, even though it's pretty well the middle of autumn and close to it is pretty much the middle of autumn, I think, and it still feels cold. Not cold, what am I saying? It should be cold, but it's hot. But it's climate change, folks. Just to put it bluntly, it's climate change. It's empirical evidence that climate change is real, folks. If you think it's not real, it's like thinking the earth is fucking flat. It's stupid. It's dumb. It's unscientific. We need to know that it's real, and we've got to find a solution to this climate change before it fucks up the human race and our fucking nature. But anyway, that's a really nice demo. I think now we can call it quits.